Hi guys, I'm back again with another video. This time I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collaboration palette. This is volume 2 palette, and I'm going to be sharing my thoughts about this palette, so let's get it. So been loving my skin lately, so I'm just showing that off. First thing, I'm going to moisturize my face and also use it as a primer, and I'm using the Good Molecules primer. I've said this 1,000 times on my Instagram and also on YouTube. This bad boy works with every single foundation that I have, so I'm gonna keep using it until it's fully gone. But yeah, it's so moisturizing, and it does have a sticky base for my foundation to stick to, so definitely check it out if you are on the lookout for a primer. And I'm going to set that primer with some loose powder, and I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder just to set it all over my face, just to give it a lasting effect for my foundation. And to further set that, I'm going to set my face with the Morphe X Jeffree Star setting mist. I really love the smell of this, and it's just going to keep that foundation in place longer. Foundation I'm using today is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I'm applying it with the Ofra Cosmetics beauty sponge. This sponge, guys, is so soft, like literally. I'm always skeptical with makeup sponges, but this one was, yeah, it was really, really good. And I'm going to start off with contouring my face, and I'm going in with the Huda Beauty tantour bronzer, and I really love this guy. Again, it's another staple product that I absolutely love and can't do without in my collection. If I am using a cream contour product, I'm definitely going to be reaching for this one. So I'm just blending that all over, using the sponge to really get it blended into my skin. And then I'm testing out this concealer from Thinlizzy, and I'm using their beauty sponge as well to apply the concealer. You could definitely tell from the video that this is the first time I'm using the concealer, so I was a bit heavy handed with the amount of product that I pumped out, but I managed to blend it. It is a really full coverage concealer, as you guys can see. This is one of those underdog brands that are not being talked about, but I'm really, really happy that they reached out to me to send me a couple of their items. I can't wait to actually use this product properly. I definitely used way too much, but I managed to blend it out, and it blended out beautifully into that contour cream from Huda Beauty. And then to set the under eye, I'm using the Juvias Place I Am Magic powder in Gobi. I've said this so many times. This I Am Magic powders are slept on. No one's actually talking about them as much as they should be talking about them. But I love how beautiful it just sets every concealer that I have. It seems to set every concealer really well except for the I Am Magic concealer, which is really weird, but yeah. And then I'm just going to do my brows off camera. You guys have seen me do my brows a gazillion times, but the brows that I'm going for are quite bushy, so didn't want to go into any detail with that. So now let's move on to the eyes. So I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics base. I'm applying that all over and using the Ofra sponge to blend it in. And then I'm going in with Not My Journey from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I was really skeptical because I watched loads of YouTube videos about the Jaclyn Hill palette, and it seems to be a hit or miss with people, and I don't know why. Because this palette is beautiful, the colors are just absolutely stunning. Next I'm going in with Crazy to really deepen Not My Journey, because I really wanted to have like a deeper outer V, and I'm slowly blending that and packing it into my crease. One of the secrets for this palette is to definitely take your time to blend the colors, because it is super pigmented and a little bit goes a long way. So I'm bringing both Not My Journey and Crazy to my lower lash line and just blending the outer V as well. And then I'm going in with Tipsy Girl, and I'm just blending Not My Journey and Crazy and just blending the edges of that just to give it a nice seamless blend. You guys can see how beautiful this pink shade is, and I'm literally only tapping into the palette ever so lightly, not digging or anything. And I'm using this loose eyeshadow from Darella Cosmetics, and it is Assurance, and it's such a beautiful neon pink eyeshadow, and I just wanted to play with it to see how pigmented it is. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with a Moment, and I'm just blending that in to the inner corner of my eye. One other thing I really love about this palette is the names that she came out with. Like, I can really relate to a lot of these names. Like, this one is called Therapy Sesh. And it's what I'm using to blend out a Moment, and then underneath the lash line, and also to blow it out around the eye. I really wanted like a blown out purple moment around the blend, around the eye, just to really blend it into my skin. So I really went overboard with that. And I'm just, swiping away all the excess powder that I put down, thinking there was going to be loads of fallout. But as I said, guys, a little bit at a time, and you will experience no fallout, and it is, just seamless blend. And then I'm going in with the Morphe highlight and contour palette. I've forgotten what this one is called, but I think it's 8H. And the colors in there are beautiful. I'm beginning to go back into my stash and really go through some of the products that I put aside. I don't know why I put this palette aside, because I absolutely love it, but I'm just using it to bronze up my face and give it a nice snatch. And then I'm going in with the Juvias Place blush palette, and it's going in with a color called Bay. And I really wanted to blow out my blush. Like, I really wanted it to sit nicely with the eye, give it more of an exaggerated feel. And then I'm going in with the Wunder2 eye pencil. It's the pink color, and just putting that in my waterline. And then I'm just going to line my eyelid and give myself a cute little wing with the Morphe gel liner. I love how pigmented the gel liner is, so I'm just giving myself a cute little line, not even winging it, just a cute little line. And I'm using this Maybelline mascara. I talked about this in my previous video. It's one of the slept on mascaras from Maybelline, but I definitely love the wand, love how soft it is, and I love the way it separates my lashes. I'm just showing you guys what my lashes look like before I apply falsies. And then I'm going in with the colored Raine bossy lashes. I've been obsessed with these lashes, guys. This lashes and the Darella Fabulous lashes are my faves. And then I'm going in with Thinlizzy's highlight palette. And I love this palette. Like, literally, I looked at the colors and I was like, no girl, this thing ain't gonna be cute. But then during application, it just blew me away. I'm also using their brush. So I use their brush to swipe away the powder, and I'm also using this little one to apply the highlighter. I really love the products from them so far. I haven't hit any product that I don't like. I still have a foundation to test from them, so hopefully I'll be able to test that in a separate video. But as you guys can see, it is super pigmented, both dry and wet, and it just blends beautifully into the skin. And now I'm going in with this shade from the palette, and I'm popping it into my inner corner just to give it a nice pop so that my eyes are nice and brightened. I'm going to list all the products in the description box below, so don't worry guys, just check it out. I'm using this lip pencil from Colourpop. It's an oldie but a goodie, and I'm just lining my lips. I love an overdrawn lip, so I'm just going just a tad bit overdrawn, not too dramatic. And then I'm going in with this velour liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star. I believe this one is I Am Royalty. I'm not too sure, but again, don't quote me. Check the description box below. And I'm going over it with the Ophir gloss. Again, I will name it in the description box below. But I really wanted to have like a pinky purple moment, so nothing too overpowering, just to match the beauty that is this look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My overall thoughts about that Jaclyn palette is that it's gorgeous. If you're looking for something that's bright, beautiful, and also has neutral colors, definitely check it out. I do have another tutorial coming of just the neutral colors, so definitely stay tuned. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, God doesn't like ugly, so be nice to someone today. Bye guys.